Moto. Welcome back to the channel. We're here with the 435i, and today's video is going to be about the tune for this car. It's Mhd flash tuned on this N55 engine with Catless Downpipes, upgraded intercooler, and a intake from CTS Tuning. Other than that, it's just the tune and the bolt-ons. So let's get into the review and I'll show you what this thing can do. All right, let's go ahead, hop up in here and pop this open for you. And I'll show you the mods we have done. Show you everything. As I can remember, this is dirty. Yep. All right, so here's our CTS turbo intake. Our Catless downpipe is right there. See it coming in greatly. Wow, that looks good. So those are the two mods in the engine. And then underneath, we have the upgraded intercooler, as you can see in there. It's a two-step. So yeah, this is the 435i F32 Coupe N55 engine once again. So let's get into it. So when we're in the car, there's nothing really different, but the ECU has been changed. So I've got the startup roar put in. I've got a couple burbles in sport mode. The exhaust flap open in sport mode. And then the stage 2 plus tune. That's really it. So let's go ahead and start it up. All right, so we're gonna start out in comfort. I'm gonna throw it in sport. So as of right now, I have a pretty strong burble tune on there because I've been messing around with it for a little bit, and it's pretty strong. So there's a lot you can do with the Mhd, and you can do a lot of customizations with how you want the car to sound and how you want it to perform. And I'm running on 93 octane right now, and it's been a blast. I've put about 10,000 miles on this car, and I've had one issue, which was the charge pipe when I first got it and started modifying it. So yeah, let's hop back in the car and let's go for a ride. All right guys, so we're in the car now. We're gonna go through a couple things like rolling anti-lag, the car, how it feels, how it drives, what I've noticed, what I need to do, and just some stuff. So this car has been treating me well. It's really fun to drive. It's decently fast. I'm starting to itch for a little more power. But like these back roads, like what we're about to hit, are so fun. Like when people say BMWs drive different, they do. They really do. And the 6-speed manual is really fun. So let's go ahead and throw it in sport. I gotta take it easy so you guys aren't shaking and aren't able to see what's going on. Kind of like that right there. So this car has a couple cool features that I love using. One is the Mhd Anti-Lag, and I have it set up to hold 9 pounds of boost, so let's go ahead and use that. So you hold this reset button on the steering wheel, and then let go, and you take off. We're gonna fly through this corner here. Get a couple burbles. Oh my. Sorry if you hear some stuff like cluttering around. I got a lot of stuff in the car right now. As you can see, I finally bought a radar detector. I thought that would have been a smart investment, you know, being a hooligan and all. This car's so fun to drive, you kind of forget that you're paying $4.90 for premium gas right now. It's actually insane. But yeah, no. I put it up against my buddy's 335i, which is stock, which you guys will see in an upcoming video. We have a couple videos coming with that car and this car together and that car by itself. So stay tuned for those. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications and everything. Yeah, so let's get a poll right here. We're about 4,000 RPMs floored. So from before I did the Mhd tune in this car, it was not slow, but it wasn't quite what I wanted. This got my urge of speed up. It was a great like first install, like do it yourself shit. But if I'm gonna be honest, it's really not enough power. It wakes up the car like a whole different animal, but once you're used to driving this thing, it's like, God, I just want that pure stage 2 turbo right now. That's literally what I've been thinking about for the past weeks. So, but the actual tune itself is really nice. I haven't had a single issue with it yet. Yeah. Really fast. I haven't done 0 to 60s. It's kept up with pretty fast cars. I've beaten scat packs in it. I've beaten RTs in it. Someone's house is on fire. But yeah, no, it's a really fun car. Jeez, I wonder what's going on. So for the N55, there's a lot of stage options for this car. There's stage 1, there's stage 1 plus, there's OEM plus even if you don't want to go stage 1. There's a lot of options for this car for the power range that you're looking for. And it's really a tunable car. Like, you can really do anything that you want with it. However far you want to go, however crazy you want to go. And I think that this is a great platform for not beginners, but people that know what they're doing but are still new. Like, I know how to work on cars and how to install stuff, but I'm new to the car world. So this is like great for me because I can slap parts on it, throw a tune on it, and it'll wake it up. And that's exactly what it did. I'm so happy with it. I've had great time with it, and it's really fun, and it's kept up with some fast cars, but I just want to go one stage further. Let's do a little another anti-lag. Hold it, build boost, let go. Yeah, no. And then a little bit of backfires. Some downshifts. So I think my favorite part about Mhd is the ease of tuning. It's literally this right here. This is all I need to tune my car. I plug this into my OBD2 sensor, connect it to my Wi-Fi, turn my phone on, select all the options I want, and you're good to go. Let's hear these backfires. But yeah, so if you're questioning Mhd and how good it is, it's good. If you're questioning if you should use it or not, use it. So with that, guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any video ideas with the 435i, leave them in the comments. Once again, Mhd is a great app. It's really easy to use. It woke my car up to a different level I didn't really expect, and I'm excited to go to the next level with it. So yeah, guys, until next time, Mhd out.